Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung dishwasher error code LE leak overflow sensor reset. Fix 1 hard reset the dishwasher. You just have to turn off the power at the home circuit breaker and leave the power off for 10 to 15 minutes to clear the system. Restore the power to the unit and test the unit to ensure it is functioning properly. Fix 2. Check for visible leaks and causes. A clogged sink or garbage disposal can lead to water backing up into the dishwasher. Check and clean the kitchen sink filter to prevent clogs. Ensure the water supply hose is securely connected and free for leaks. Inspect the drain hose for kinks or damage that can cause impede drainage. Using regular dish soap instead of dishwasher detergent can cause excess suds. Adding too much rinse aid can also lead to such spilling into the base pan. Fix 3. Dry the base pan. Disconnect the dishwasher from the both power and water source. Unscrew and remove the lower front kick plate. Then locate the base pan beneath the application. Use a towel or wet or dry vacuum to soak up all the standing water. Thoroughly dry the moist sensor area using a hair dryer or a low heat setting in if necessary. Thanks for watching.